This excursion gives us a close-up appreciation of the natural Sydney sandstone flora, and we follow in the footsteps of Joseph Banks and Daniel Solander at Cook's first landing in BotanyBay. First stop will be the Joseph Banks Native Plant Reserve at Grevillea. This 2.2 hectare reserve was developed by Australian Plant Society members back in 1969 as a tribute to Sir Joseph Banks. Now managed by Sutherland Council, the Southern group of APS continues to maintain parts of the reserve. Covering a north-facing hillside of typical Hawkesbury sandstone flora, the reserve is a beautiful place to wander. Much of the area has been left in its natural state, with many signature trees of Angophora costata filtering shafts of sunlight onto the diverse understory. The maturity of the trees and the pristine bush creates a serenity that's rare in this otherwise busy suburb. A series of landscaped and themed gardens also grace the reserve, showcasing what's possible with native plants. Many are labelled, thanks to an ongoing Sutherland Group project. There is seating for picnics, a tranquil pond, graded paths, a rainforest gully and a fern garden. Our main focus today is the Kamay Botany National Park, and we have plenty of time to explore this iconic site. This is an area rich in Aboriginal culture, with Kamay being the Dharawal word for fresh water. More than 1,500 First Nations people lived a prosperous lifestyle here for thousands of years. Joseph Banks and Daniel Solander were in botanic heaven and launched into a collecting spree. Astounded by the diversity and uniqueness of the plants, they collected 132 specimens in their 8 days ashore. Members of the Sutherland group have so far found 84 of the plants recorded in the original collection. There are many places to explore, and you can choose how active you wish to be. One option is the 1.2 km Burrawang Loop Track. This walk takes in views over the sparkling waters of BotanyBay and passes several monuments to Cook, Banks and Solander. Bronze sculptures of Aboriginal significance are also found along the water's edge. An even easier option is the short and well-maintained Banks and Solander Loop Track. This features information panels which showcase many of the plants that so fascinated the earlier botanists and highlight the botanical value of the park. For the more energetic, after exploring the Banks Solander Loop, you can continue along the Yenna track. This winds through dry eucalypt forest, passes into sandstone heathland, and finally leads you to heathland dunes on the coast. In spring, this bush will be bursting with wildflowers and birdlife. You'll be able to enjoy the drama of the weathered sandstone clifftop coastline and rock platforms. You might even spot a soaring albatross, passing dolphins or seals, or even migrating humpback whales. You can rejoin the coach at the visitor centre via other tracks, or just wait on the headland, absorbing the views, for the coach to pick you up later. Join our local botanists and guides on this exciting excursion.